Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change camera angle in NBA 2k26 MyCareer. Once you're on the match and you wanna change the camera angle, for that you just need to hit your start key and just go to camera, and right here you will see the settings to change your camera angle. If you are using Xbox just like me, in that case you need to use your LB or RB key to switch through camera angles. If you have PlayStation, in that case you need to use your L1 and R1 key. By using these keys you can easily switch the camera angle. In my case I would love to go with this one. And also once you select the camera angle, you can do more changes like changing the zoom, height, key zoom, auto flip. Let's say I would love to change zoom. I can just use my left stick to increase the zoom. I can increase the height, decrease the height like this. And also you can do any changes to these settings too. If you want to set this to default again, just click on this option and they'll just reset the camera angle. But yeah, that's exactly how you can change the camera angle. To save this, just get back from this. You will see window like this where they'll ask you to save these changes. If you wanna apply these changes to all of your matches, you can just go with S option. If you wanna use these settings only for this match, you can go with this one. And if you wanna revert to previous camera angle, you can go with this one. Since we wanna save this for all of our matches, we'll just proceed with yes. Get back from this, and yep, there you go, they have successfully changed the camera angle. And that's exactly how you can change camera angle in NBA 2k26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.